Hi everyone! So I have this new watercolor product to show you. It's this Star Series palette by Superior. I don't think I've seen a review here on YouTube yet, and I don't know how accessible this product is to everyone. I got this while it was on sale for really cheap, about $5 US, but the retail price is probably about $10. It comes with this thick paper sleeve. And once removed, we can see that the paints come in a plastic box with a water brush. I don't have any kuretake, but that's what it looks like. I noticed the bottom of the tray has these indents, which make me think that this palette might be used to package circular paint as well. All of the colors have English names that start with Pearl, except one, of course. I don't remember seeing that when I bought it, so we shall see how it goes when we swatch them. I stuck some black paper onto watercolor paper so that we can see what the colors will look like. At this point, I have dropped some water onto each of the colors already and waited about 5 minutes for the paints to reactivate. When working with pearls, metallics, and the like, it's always a good idea to pre-wet the paints first. The first color is Glitter Pearl. There doesn't seem to be a lot of glitter in it. It looks more like just a straight up white pearl that sparkles more than the norm, so maybe that's where the glitter comes in. Both swatches on the black and the white look the same. Next is Pearl Yellow Green. For this color, it shows up as a cool yellow on white, but on black, it's more of a yellow green. The pearl effect isn't as obvious on this one. Next is Pearl Crepe Myrtle. I believe I've seen this name show up on Paul Rubens palette reviews before. If any of you have that, please let me know down in the comments. On white, it looks like a pink with blue-violet pearl sparkles, but on black, the pink is practically invisible. All we see is this blue pearl part of the color. It's not so obvious right now, but I'll show you all of these under better lighting afterwards. Next is Pearl Violet. Upon first glance, this one is very similar to the one before, but it's more of a violet pink on white with some light blue shimmer pearl. And again on black, all we could see is a light blue pearl effect. I'm going to speed through the second row here because there's not much to look at. The magic only happens when the light shines on these colors. Pearl Purple Copper is a soft lavender lilac color on white, but is greenish silver on black. Pearl Red Blue is a violet blue lavender color on white and reddish pink on black. Pearl Blue Green is a nice aqua teal color on white and like a mint green on black. Last is Pearl Golden Green that looks like a yellow green on white and a gold on black. And now we're going to wait for these to dry and I'll be right back. Once they're dry, this is what they look like. Which ones grab your attention the most? Personally, I think I like Pearl Crepe Myrtle from the top row and Purple Copper and Blue Green from the bottom row. The Purple Copper one is it's rather subtle in the purple and green colors that show up, and I think it's such an elegant duochrome color. All of these reactivated quite well. I don't have any pearl or glitter colors to compare these to, but for the price and quality I got, I'm rather satisfied. I initially thought they were color-shifting watercolors, but it seems like they're just duochrome, which isn't a disappointment at all. I initially planned on getting a set of Coliro, but those are like 4 times the price of this one. I know a lot of you are going to say that obviously Coliro is better in quality, but for where I am in my art journey, I think I'm fine exploring and experimenting with paints like this for now. To be honest, they're more pigmented than what I expected from a low price. And not only that, the pans are huge, so I can use large brushes with this one. I can definitely see myself using some of these colors for painting a nice background that would really help the subject pop. Alright, that's all I have for you today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.